Are you ready to dive into the world of Violas? Hey there, it's Allie from Allie's Leaf Lab, and today we're uncovering all the secrets of Violas. Those delightful purple and yellow blooms that grace our gardens with their charm. Not only are they a feast for the eyes, but Violas are also packed with unique flavors and benefits. So if you're a gardening enthusiast or simply curious about incorporating these beauties into your life, this episode is just for you. Let's start with the basics of how to grow violas. Good news, they're incredibly easy to cultivate. Violas thrive in cooler weather, so you can start seeds indoors about 8 to 10 weeks before your last frost date. Just ensure they get plenty of light and water. The soil should be well draining, and the location should have partial to full sun exposure. Violas prefer cooler temperatures and can take some shade during the hottest parts of the day, especially in warmer climates. Regular watering is essential to keep the soil moist but not waterlogged. Next, let's discuss how to store violas for maximum freshness. Once you've got your violas growing, you might wonder how to store them properly. When harvesting, choose flowers that are fully open and vibrant. Gently remove them from the plant and place them in a container lined with a paper towel to absorb moisture. Store them in the refrigerator and they'll be ready to use for several days. Now let's talk about how to sell violas for a potential profit. Violas are highly sought after by chefs and edible flower enthusiasts alike. Consider selling them fresh at local farmers markets or creating attractive packages of mixed edible flowers to sell. Restaurants often use violas for plating and garnishing, adding a touch of elegance to their dishes. Don't underestimate the market for these beautiful blooms. And finally, let's explore the endless possibilities of how to use violas. From salads to teas, desserts, and beyond. Viola petals have a delicate, slightly sweet flavor that adds a unique twist to culinary creations. Try freezing them into ice cubes for an eye-catching addition to cocktails or mocktails. In desserts, violas make a stunning and edible decoration for cakes and cupcakes. And don't forget about the wellness benefits of violas. They have a long history of use in herbal medicine. You can dry violas for potpourri or infuse them into oils for homemade skincare products. Violas truly offer a delightful blend of beauty, flavor, and potential health benefits. Their ease of cultivation, versatility in culinary and cosmetic applications, as well as their potential for profit, make them a must-have for any garden. And hey, if you're craving more gardening insights and tips, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Join me on this incredible journey of growing, using, and even selling your way to a greener, more fulfilling lifestyle right here on Allie's Leaf Lab. Thanks for watching. Until next time, happy gardening.